Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in OPPO F19. So if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the display, and as you can see there you have a few options to edit. The wallpaper, I think we can skip it. You can find on my channel how to change the wallpaper on this device. So we're gonna start from the icons. Click on the allow and allow again. Now you can adjust the shape of your icons to your needs by clicking the design icons or just on the custom. Now you can change the shape of the icon, size of the foreground, size of the icons. You can also hide the items, but if you want to keep it visible, you can also change the size of the name. So just adjust the settings to your needs, click on the apply, and that's it. We have a new design of the icons. Now you can skip to the widget. If you want to add any, just choose your favorite one, hold the finger and choose the place on the home screen for it. You can also hold the finger on it to change the size of it by swiping the edge. You can also just remove that. The next step, the layout. If you want to change the amount of the application there are in the columns, you can do it here. Just choose your favorite one and click on the apply. The next one, transition. This is the effect when you're swiping the pages on your home screen, so just tap on anyone to play the preview and click on the apply to save it. Now you can go to the more, and this is the place where you can change the home screen mode if you want to use the standard mode or with the drawer. If you want to make any folder, just hold any app and drop onto another. We have a new folder, we can change the name of it by clicking on the folder name. If you want to remove the folder, just take out all of the apps. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.